Hi class, so welcome back. We're on our third and final lesson. Y'all have done awesome so far. So let's just recap real fast. So for lesson 1, we talked about primary and secondary sources. For lesson 2, you explored that a little farther, and you learned about the Roanoke colony by reading primary and secondary sources. So then today, we're putting it all together, and so we're going to put that all together and figure out what you guys have learned so far. So again, let me just share my screen and we'll go over today's lesson. So here we go. Lesson 3. The learning goals for lesson 3 are: I can talk about the differences between primary and secondary sources. I can use the sources and create an informational slide on the Roanoke colony. And so now let's just go over what your assignments are for the day. Again, you're already watching this video, so check on that. I have already split you up into group A and B, and you guys should know what groups you're in. So for group A, you're going to watch this video and gain as much knowledge as you can from it, write down notes, because you're going to be using that to make your slide. For group B, you're going to be reading this, and you're also going to be gaining all the knowledge you can from this document, and you will use that for your slide. After your group has done that and discussed both of your sources, you will use either Jamboard or Google Slides. Google Slides is linked right here, and you're going to make an informational visual to present what you know. So in that visual, I want you guys to answer 2 questions that are written right here. The first is, what makes your documents primary or secondary sources? So that means you guys are going to have to identify if you have a primary or secondary source and write how you guys knew that, what makes a primary source, what makes a secondary source, and put that in your visual. And then the second question is, what did you learn from your source about the Roanoke colony? So what did you learn about the Roanoke colony? We want to know about the Roanoke colony. I'm going to give you about most of the class time to work on that, and then we'll come back to the main class and we will all share what we did. So group A will share and then group B will share. So let me know if you guys have any questions, but that is what we are going to do for lesson 3. All right, so get to work. See you later.